In a city, not so far away, lives a very special family. They use REWOFERM Biosurfactants for a clean-tastic life.
Biosurfactants are made of sugar and produced like yogurt and wine. My mom said the process is called fermentation. There are so many great things about biosurfactants.
When we do our laundry, the biosurfactants make our clothes clean and fresh even in the eco-cycle of our washing machine. Our clothes are not only clean, but they look newer for longer. Our shirts are vibrantly colorful and our towels stay fluffy.
We have clean and shiny glasses, and we don't need to worry about harming the environment. We know that REWOFERM Biosurfactants are 100% biodegradable, and they are safe for life underwater.
I used to wear gloves to protect my sensitive skin when washing up, but with REWOFERM-based detergents, I can easily do the washing up and even enjoy the foam and gentle feeling on my hands.
I prefer mild cleaners that don't harm surfaces in our cozy home. With cleaners based on REWOFERM, I don't need to worry about damaging the surfaces while cleaning windows, floors, sofas, and others. REWOFERM-based detergents are safe for use outside. Thanks to their nature-identical structure, they do not harm our flowers and grass. They even decompose in nature very easily. And we can also use these products to keep our car clean and shiny. Dashboards, seats, and the car body can be refreshed with REWOFERM-based cleaners.
Even our pets benefit from our biosurfactant solutions. Our gentle cleaning products do not harm their sensitive paws.
And Family Clean is not the only family that benefits from our biosurfactants. Find out more about our cleaning biosurfactants. Evonik.click/REWOFERM. The key benefits as overview. Made by fermentation, nature-identical structure, no tropical oils. 100% biodegradable, safe for the ocean, safe for sensitive skin, mild to material, Eco-cert certified.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.